Hi YouTube, so today I'll be making this 3-ingredient jam. Those 3 ingredients you'll need are the fruit, depending what flavor jam you like, some sugar, and some lemon juice. First, put a plate in the freezer. This will be the testing surface for the jam later on. You'll need strawberries, of course, or whatever fruit you're planning to make the jam with. Just chop them up and weigh them. The ratio for this recipe is 300 grams. As you can see, this weighs 480 grams, so I'll need to add a little more ingredients than what the recipe says. Okay, just place your strawberries in a microwave-safe deep dish bowl. For 300 grams of fruit, you're supposed to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So because this is 480, I'll probably be adding about 3 or 4 to balance it out. My hands are full, so I couldn't really use the spoon. Place in the microwave for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you'll see that it dissolves, so just stir it a little. And then add 1 cup of sugar. I added a little more because of the ratio and all. And microwave another 5 minutes. Alright, give it another stir. This is why I suggested a deep dish, because the ingredients will rise up. Don't want it to overflow now. And then microwave another 5 minutes. Alright, just give it another stir. Get your frozen plate. Grab a little spoonful of this and pour it on there. Let it settle on there first. This is where you test the consistency, and as you can see, it still looks a bit runny, so I'm gonna microwave this for a couple more minutes, see how that goes. Okay, just stir one last time. Okay, do the plate test again. It's going to thicken up anyway after cooling down, so yeah, it looks thicker already. Place it in an empty jar and then place it in the fridge to let it thicken some more. Enjoy!